Hi guys, my name is Raghav and I am pursuing BE Electronics and Communication Engineering at Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai. In this video, I'll be explaining about Hartley oscillators. So let's get started right away. Introduction. The Hartley oscillator is an electronic oscillator circuit in which the oscillation frequency is determined by the tuned circuit consisting of capacitors and inductors, that is an LC oscillator. The Hartley oscillator was invented in 1915 by American engineer Ralph Hartley. What are Hartley oscillators? Hartley oscillator is inductively coupled. It's a variable frequency oscillator where the oscillator may be a series or shunt fed. Hartley oscillators has the advantage of having one tuning capacitor and one center tapped inductor. So this process simplifies the construction of a Hartley oscillator circuit. So this is the circuit diagram of a Hartley oscillator. As you can see in the right and bottom corner, there is a tank circuit which consists of two inductors in series in parallel with the capacitor. Let's move on to the working of Hartley oscillator. The circuit diagram of a Hartley oscillator consists of an NPN transistor connected in a common emitter configuration. This is the main active device in amplifier stage. As you could have seen, there were two biasing resistors, two coupling capacitors, and two inductors. At high frequencies, the reactance value of the choke is very high, so it can be treated as an open circuit. The reactance is zero for DC condition, hence it causes no problem for DC capacitors. So what happens when DC voltage is given to the circuit? The collector current starts rising and begins with charging of capacitor. Once the capacitor is fully charged, it starts fully discharging through the inductor and again starts charging. This back and forth voltage waveform is a sine wave which is very small and leads with negative alternation. This will eventually die out until it is amplified. Now the transistor comes into the picture. The sine wave generated by a triangle circuit is coupled to the base of the transistor through the capacitor. Since the transistor is configured as common emitter, it takes the input from tank circuit and inverts it into a standard sine wave with a leading positive alteration. The transistor provides an amplification along with inversion to amplify and correct the signal generated by the tank circuit. The mutual inductance between the two inductors provides the feedback of energy from the collector emitter circuit to the base emitter circuit. So this is the derivation of frequency of oscillation of Hartley oscillator. Here basically you would have to find the current flowing through the circuit using current divider formula and substitute the values. Here the direction of current is opposite to the polarity of the voltage supply source, so you would have to put a negative sign. After substituting, you would find the frequency of oscillation as 1 by 2 pi into root over C L equivalent. Here L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2m. Now let's look into the advantages of Hartley oscillator. Instead of two separate coils, a single coil of bare wire can be used and the coil can be grounded at any desired point along it. By using a variable capacitor or by making core movable, frequency of oscillation can be varied. So it requires very few components like either two fixed inductors or tapped coil. The amplitude of the output remains constant over the working frequency range. The disadvantages: it cannot be used as a low frequency oscillator since the value of inductor becomes very large and the size of the inductor becomes large. The harmonic content in the output of the oscillator is very high, hence it is not suitable for applications which require a pure sine wave. Applications: it is used to provide a sine wave with desired frequency. It can also be used as radio receivers. Due to its wide range of frequency, it is the most popular oscillator. It is suitable for oscillations in RF range up to 30 MHz. Conclusion. So this is all about the working and application of Hartley oscillator circuit. The main feature of Hartley oscillator is that the tuned circuit consists of a single capacitor in parallel with two inductors in series, and the feedback signal needed for oscillation is taken from interconnection of two inductors. Here is a famous quote by Ralph Hartley: "The number of arguments is unimportant unless some of them are correct." So we have come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation on Hartley oscillator. Please feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.